Welcome to our channel. This is Emmanuel Vinod to help you on the topic parallel lines and angles. Parallel lines and angles. In this diagram, the two red lines are parallel lines. The green line is the transversal. A line intersecting two or more lines is called a transversal. Transversal creates a pair of angles with special properties. Here, the green line creates 8 angles: A, B, C and D, E, F, G and H. This topic requires knowledge about adjacent angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. In this topic, we are going to study in deep about corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, vertically opposite angles, allied or co-interior angles, adjacent angles. Angles that have common vertex and common side are called adjacent angles. In this diagram, angle A and angle B have common vertex and common side. So A and B are adjacent to each other. Sum of A and B not necessary to be 90 degree. That is, the two angles is not necessary to be complementary angles. Complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the two angles are complementary of each other. We got two cases here. Case 1, in the first diagram, angle 75 degree and angle 15 degree both add up to 90 degree. Here, both of them are sharing a common vertex and common side. In the second diagram, angle 30 degree and angle 60 degree sum to 90 degree. Here, both of them don't have common vertex or common side. Both of them are examples are complementary angles. Complementary angles do not have to be adjacent to each other. Supplementary angles. It is similar to complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 180 degree, here you have to be very careful, angle is 180 degree. Then the two angles are supplementary of each other. In the first diagram, 135 degree plus 45 degree gives 180 degree. Both of them are from the same vertex and sharing same side. In the second diagram, 135 degree add to 55 degree gives 180 degree. Here, both of them are not sharing a common vertex or common side. Both of them are examples of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles do not have to be adjacent to each other. Corresponding angles. The angles that are in the same position relative to the lines intersected by a transversal are called corresponding angles. Look at the example. Follow the white lines. Here the white lines are in the shape of F. Here angle B and angle F are corresponding angles. In the second diagram, angle A and angle E are corresponding angles. In the third diagram, angle C and angle G are corresponding angles. In the fourth diagram, angle D and angle H are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Note: to remember the concept of corresponding angles, just remember the letter F, that is the shape of the white line. Alternate angles. There are 4 pairs of alternate angles, 2 pairs of alternate interior angles, and another 2 pairs are alternate exterior angles. Interior angles are in between the parallel lines. Exterior angles are outside the parallel lines. Let's see some examples. Again, follow the white lines. Here it is in the shape of a Z. Here, angle C and angle E are alternate interior angles. Another example, angle B and angle H are alternate interior angles. You must remember the letter Z for alternate interior angles. Now move on to alternate exterior angles. As per the definition, angles are outside the parallel lines. Here, A and G forms alternate exterior angles. Another example, angle D and angle F forms alternate exterior angles. Here, you must remember the letter L for alternate interior angles. Alternate angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Definition: the angles opposite to each other when the 2 lines cross is called vertically opposite angles. In this diagram, follow the white line. It is in the shape of X. Here, A and C are vertically opposite angles, and D and B are another pair of vertically opposite angles. Another set of vertically opposite angles here. Here E and G forms a pair, H and F forms another pair. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Note: to remember the concept of vertically opposite angles, you must remember the letter X, that is the shape of the white line. Allied are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles lie between 2 lines and on the same side of the transversal. Here, the white line is in the shape of C. Let's follow the white line. Angle B and angle E are co-interior angles. Another set, angle C and angle H are co-interior angles. If the 2 lines are parallel, you must remember this condition. If the 2 lines are parallel, then the co-interior angles add to 180 degree. That is, both are supplementary. Note: to remember this concept, you should remember the letter C, that is the shape of the white line. Tips to remember the concepts. Adjacent angles. You should remember the word near. That means both should share the same vertex and same side. Complementary angles, they add up to 90 degree, so you should remember 90 degree. Supplementary angles, they add up to 180 degree, So you should remember 180 degree. Corresponding angles, you should remember F, and alternate interior angles, you should remember Z. Alternate exterior angles, L. Vertically opposite angles, X. Allied or co-interior angles, C. All these alphabets are the shapes of the white lines. To remember the entire concept, you should remember these words. This will help you a lot. Thank you for watching the video.